Hello traders, in this video I'll be taking a look at the Fast Scalper Expert Advisor and exploring what it offers based on the information available on its MQL5 marketplace page. Now before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, looking at the marketplace page, we can see that Fast Scalper is available for both MT4 and MT5. The developer has separate versions listed for each platform, and the current price is 99 US dollars. At the time of this review, the EA is listed as version 2.5 with the latest update dated May 1st, 2026. According to the developer, Fast Scalper is designed around analyzing the relative strength and weakness of global currencies. The core concept presented here is that the EA evaluates a broad range of market information to identify potential trading opportunities based on changing currency strength conditions. Now, as I continue through the product description, the developer highlights the use of neural network-based algorithms that assess both fundamental and technical factors. The stated goal is to continuously evaluate global market conditions and adapt trading decisions as currency dynamics evolve. Another key area emphasized on the page is real-time adaptability. The developer explains that the system continuously updates its assessment of market conditions, allowing it to respond to changing environments rather than relying on a fixed market view. Risk management is also a major focus within the product description. According to the developer, the EA incorporates portfolio optimization techniques and adjusts factors such as position sizing, leverage ratios, and risk to reward considerations in an effort to maintain a balance between risk and opportunity. The marketplace page also mentions a user-friendly interface designed to make installation and parameter adjustments straightforward, regardless of trading experience. In addition, the developer references an active community and support ecosystem for users of the software. Now, let's just move over to the historical backtesting results. As always, historical testing provides insight into how an expert advisor performed under past market conditions, right? But it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. Okay, so we're going to be heading over to our strategy tester right now. I have already tested the Fast Scalper EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. And as you can see, the test was conducted, from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, all right, or rather till, January till June 1st, 2026. All right, so it covered a period of about 5 months. Okay, so looking at the report, we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit made was $28.25. All right, and then we can see that 29 trades we are taking over the duration of the testing, right, in about 5 months. And then we can see that 11 we are short positions with 63.64% win rate, and 18 we are long positions with 61.11% win rate. Now, the largest profit was $15.84, and the largest loss was just $6.72. The average profit was $3.97, and the average loss was $3.92. So, judging from the average profit and loss, I can say that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough. Maybe it's okay. Some traders are probably okay with one risk to reward ratio, because as you can see from the average profit and average loss, the difference is not much, right? Just 5 cents. Okay. And then when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, judging from the average profit and loss, you would see that it's not surprising to have a small net profit because the win rate is good, but it's not really impressive. And then you can see that the risk to reward ratio is just close to or almost approximately 1:1. So I wouldn't have been expecting a very massive total net profit with these conditions. Okay, so now reviewing the completed backtest data and even the chart history, we're just going to, for us to see how the EA, works, in real time, right? Or rather, let's see the EA in action from the back testing data. So I'm just going to turn on the visual mode so that we can look at that. All right. Now, um, so when we look at the chart history, we're looking at how the EA behaved during the selected testing period, right? Since the developer states that the system is built around evaluating currency strength and adapting to changing global market conditions, the historical trade activity can be viewed within that broader framework. However, without access to the EA's underlying proprietary logic, it is important not to make assumptions about the precise reasons behind individual entries or exits. Okay, what we can do is observe the overall historical behavior shown in the testing results and evaluate how the system performed throughout the tested period. So if information about the testing model is available, whether that's every tick or another testing method, it's always worth taking that into consideration when assessing the reliability of the historical analysis. Right, from what you can see, we are using the every tick modeling, okay, which is one of the recommended models to use if you are trying to aim for accuracy. Okay, meanwhile, I would recommend running the I would recommend running longer term testing yourself so you can evaluate the EA across a wider range of market environments. You can see that we just used about 5 months for the back test, but I would recommend that if you're really interested in this EA, you can actually test it over a longer period of time, maybe a year or two or even more. All right, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market environments. Now, when reviewing the historical testing performance, it's important to remember that results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, risk settings, lot sizing, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Okay, so overall, the Fast Scalper presents itself as a technology focused expert advisor that combines currency strength analysis, neural network based decision making, real time adaptability, and risk management concepts. The historical results provide a useful starting point for evaluation, but thorough testing and optimization remain essential before considering any live deployment. That's my review of the Fast Scalper Expert Advisor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.